Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop. Today I'm going to recreate this Tesla album cover out of wood for Makers Rock 2019. In case you missed it, Makers Rock is a collaboration of a bunch of YouTube makers who select their favorite album covers and recreate them out of any kind of materials. I'm doing Tesla's mechanical resonance, and I'm going to recreate this out of this single 12-inch square piece of pine. I'm going to do most of it on the scroll saw. It's going to be kind of a 3D segmentation project. But to get started, I'm going to do the text around the edges over on the CNC machine. That Invitables X-Carve CNC machine really does a good job at engraving text into wood. I'm not sure how I would do that any other way in my shop, so I'm really glad to have it. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply my template and cut the rest out with a scroll saw. On my scroll saw, I'm going to be using an Olson reverse tooth blade that is 12.5 TPI. And I want to drill my starter holes as small as possible for the blade to still fit through. So I'm using a 3/64 inch drill bit. Unfortunately, this bit is way too small to fit and tighten in my drill press chuck, so I had to buy this smaller chuck that I could put into the bigger chuck to hold that small bit. Okay, I've got everything cut out and I've removed my paper template. So now I just want to sand and round over all the sharp edges. And my favorite tools for doing detail work like this are these sanding sticks and this Gator Micro Zip sanding sponge. And I'll include affiliate links to these in the video description below in case you want to check them out. Alright, I've got all the pieces sanded, so now I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to add some color to it with a blowtorch. Well, that was cool. I really like the different shades of color I was able to get. So now I just need to glue it all back together, but I'm going to raise up a few of the pieces to give it kind of a 3D look. For the finish, I'm just using some satin clear lacquer. Well, here's the finished Tesla album cover artwork. And I think it turned out looking pretty cool. I really enjoyed using that blowtorch technique, but I think it's still missing something. Oh yeah! That's better. You gotta have the sparks, right? Don't forget, for a chance to win this, head over to my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com where you can enter my giveaway. Also, if you like this video, click that like button, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this project. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Also, if you want to see the other participants in Makers Rock, I'll have a link to a video playlist in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.